got this whole lot of night. She picked out a few that we knew, and she just said we've got the whole night time, and stand around this fireplace, we could sing our souls all free. And we be singing la 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 la. Sundays and we were reading in a book. You spend your time with your brothers and you just practice with the song. She said